guys, today I came to my car in the morning. I open it up. It's my Mini Coupe R52. I came to right here and then I put my key in the ignition and then I start. Nothing. So guys, I think I have to jump start. So I'll show you guys how to jump start a Mini Coupe R52. So for those ones driving on the left, this is a Mini Coupe is a British car. So normally the hood opener is supposed to be here, which is called bonnet in Britain, is on the right side. So what you do is just come down here, the passenger side, push like that, and then you'll hear poop from the front. Then what you do, guys, I'm going to just show you how to open it up and then how to jump start it. So just lift up your hood, and then next to the driver's side there's a clip right here, and then you just press it up and you open the hood. There you go. So guys, this is the clip you open up. So let's your hood open, and then guys, here we are. So the first dilemma I got last time was to locate where I should jump start my car from. So most of the cars is somewhere around here, so I kept looking for it. I didn't find a spot, and then finally next to the power steering I could see a battery positive. So this is, guys, this is the place where we jump start our car from. So what you do, you open it up. It's just with a small clip right there. You just pop it up like that, and then this is our positive terminal. And then the negative terminal, guys, I'll just recommend you guys to you can put anywhere, even on this engine mount thing, because the engine is grounded. So I bring in my my jump box to do this. So here, guys, is my jump box. Just put it like right here, and then take this is my negative terminal. So I'll take a negative terminal right here, guys, and then I put it right here, and then I take my positive terminal here. I take my positive and I just put it right there, and then I just look at my jump box. So it's telling me the power which is currently in the car right now is 2.1. So what I'll just do is guys, is just to turn it on. So once it turns on, come to 12.8, and then I try start it up, and then I see if this will work out. So I'll come right here, and already I'm seeing some lights there on, so I hope this thing will start. So I can see even beeping. Finally my car is up. Yay! So guys, that's just a short video to show you how to jump start Mini Coupe. Is a R52. Is a 2008. So literally that is it, and I really hope, guys, this helps somebody else. My car is running good. Everything is okay. Alright, guys, have a nice one. See you next time, and like and subscribe.